In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your school community group name. Whether you're looking to rebrand, correct a typo, or just feel like giving your community a fresh start, altering the name is a simple and straightforward process. So, let's dive right in and cover every step you'll need to take to make this change. First things first, you'll need to log into your Skool account. This will give you access to all of the settings and options necessary for managing your community. If you're not sure where to begin, simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Skool website. Once there, enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. If you've forgotten your password, you can use the Forgot Password feature to reset it. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to locate the specific community you wish to rename. Your Skool dashboard should have a list or tiles indicating all the communities you manage or participate in. Find the one you want to update and click to open it up. This will lead you to a more detailed view of your community, where you'll manage most of your settings and interactions. Now that you're in the right community, look for the Settings option. This is typically located in a menu at the top or side of your community page. Clicking Settings will take you to a screen with numerous options related to your community's setup and management. It might seem like there are a lot of choices here, but don't worry, we're going to focus on the specifics. Once in the settings, you'll want to navigate to the General tab. This tab houses essential information about your community, including its name, description, and other basic details. You're right where you need to be to initiate the name change. Look for the field labeled Community Name or Group Name. This is where the current name of your group will be displayed. Click into this field and you'll be able to replace the existing name with a new one of your choice. Remember, the name you choose should represent your community's purpose, and it's often helpful to keep it consistent with your community's theme and branding. After you've typed in your new community name, there's one last step. Save your changes. Some platforms require you to click a Save button to confirm and apply the changes, while others may automatically update the information as you enter it, so there might not be a prompt to save manually. Either way, it's important to ensure that everything is updated correctly by checking your community page afterward. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the name of your school community group. This simple change can have a big impact on how your community is perceived, so take the time to make sure your new name aligns with your objectives. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to reach out with any questions or leave comments if you need further assistance.